Hey everyone, I'm Catherine and I'm thrilled you're here. If you're a life insurance agent, you know how rewarding but also how overwhelming this career can be. Every day brings new opportunities, but also new challenges. Between chasing down leads, managing your schedule, and handling endless admin work, it's easy to feel buried under a mountain of tasks and paperwork. But what if you could use AI to automate those repetitive tasks, never miss a single lead, and finally focus on what truly matters? Building real, lasting client relationships and growing your business. That is why I am here. I will design the right AI prompts and show you how to harness AI to automate appointment setting and client communications, from setting up an AI-powered CRM to training your AI assistant to answer common client questions and FAQs. Ready to reclaim your time, reduce stress, and take your business to the next level? In this video, I will share scope of the project and implementation steps to complete the desired outcome. I offer done-for-you customization so you can focus on sales while we do the heavy lifting. Let's dive in. The first step in transforming your insurance business is choosing an AI-powered CRM. Think of it as your digital assistant, designed to streamline lead and client management from the ground up. When evaluating options, look for features like AI-driven lead scoring, automated data entry, and intelligent segmentation. These advanced tools can save you hours each week by handling repetitive tasks and surfacing your hottest leads. With these capabilities, you'll be able to prioritize leads more effectively, keep your data accurate and up to date, and target your communications to the right clients at the right time, increasing your chances of closing deals. Don't rush this decision. Test different CRMs using free trials. Explore how well they integrate with your existing email and calendar tools, and make sure the interface feels intuitive and fits your daily workflow. Once you've selected the right platform, import your contacts, set up your sales pipeline, and customize each stage to reflect your unique sales process and client journey. A well-set-up CRM ensures your automations are accurate and powerful from day one, laying the foundation for consistent, reliable results as your business grows. Invest the time up front to get it right. It pays off in long-term efficiency, smoother operations, and a higher level of service for every client you work with. Speed matters. Responding to new leads quickly can make all the difference between winning a client and losing them to a competitor. In today's fast-paced world, people expect instant replies, no matter the time of day. AI can instantly respond to new leads, day or night, ensuring that no inquiry goes unanswered, even outside of business hours or on weekends. Use AI chatbots on your website to greet visitors, ask qualifying questions, and collect contact info. These chatbots can also provide basic information about your services, helping to educate leads right from the start. AI-powered email responders can send personalized welcome messages, set expectations, and share helpful resources. They can even include links to FAQs or schedule appointments automatically. Tailor responses based on lead source or inquiry type for a more personal touch, making each prospect feel valued and understood from the very first interaction. Every interaction is logged in your CRM, so you always have context and can trigger next steps automatically. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks and follow-ups are timely. This creates a seamless professional first impression, without you lifting a finger. Clients feel attended to and confident in your process. Let AI handle the initial contact so you can focus on building relationships and closing the deal, knowing your leads are always in good hands. Answering the same questions about universal life insurance over and over? Let AI handle it. List your most common FAQs, like cash value growth, premium flexibility, and death benefit options. Use your CRM or chatbot platform to input clear, compliant answers. Now clients get instant, consistent responses, anytime, anywhere. Update your AI's knowledge base as products evolve, ensuring accuracy. Free up your time for deeper, more valuable client conversations. Scheduling appointments shouldn't be a time drain. AI scheduling tools like Calendly or Acuity connect to your calendar, show clients your real-time availability, and let them book instantly. Set up event types for policy illustrations, add custom questions, and automate reminders to reduce no-shows. Share your booking link via email, website, or chatbot for a smooth client journey. The result? No more back and forth, just confirmed appointments and more time for what matters. Let AI handle your calendar so you can focus on your clients. Setting up AI is just the start. Regularly monitor and optimize your systems. Track metrics like email open rates, chatbot conversions, and appointment bookings. Use feedback from clients to refine your automations and improve their experience. Update your AI's responses and workflows as your business evolves. Personalize communication for different lead segments to boost engagement. Continuous improvement ensures your automation stays effective and client-focused. Make data-driven tweaks for a more productive, successful practice. That's your roadmap to AI automation for life insurance agents. Start with one step, maybe automating lead responses, and see the difference. Share your experiences or questions in the comments. Let's learn together. If this helped, like and subscribe for more insurance productivity tips. Thanks for watching. Here's to working smarter with AI.